We'll guide you through how to create a Claude AI free account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Claude AI website using your desktop browser. You'll see a Sign UP button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it. Now, you need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong by using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Claude AI will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox, find the email from Claude AI, and click the verification link in it. This step is crucial to activate your account. Once your email is verified, you'll be directed back to Claude AI's website. Now, you can log in using your email and password. After logging in, you might be prompted to complete your profile by adding some personal information like your name or choosing your preferences. This helps in tailoring the AI experience to your needs. If there are any optional features or settings, feel free to explore them to enhance your user experience. And there you have it. Your Claude AI free account is all set up and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.